Are you looking for the top 5 best ID card printers in 2026? In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the 5 best ID card printers in 2026 on the market today. Before we dive in, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check those out to find the one that fits your style and budget.
Number 1. Bodno Seaory S25 Single-Sided ID Card Printer. The Bodno Seaory S25 Single-Sided ID Card Printer and complete supplies package with ID software. Bronze Edition is an all-in-one desktop solution designed to help small businesses, schools, clubs, and offices produce professional quality identification cards with minimal setup. It uses advanced dye sublimation direct-to-card printing to deliver crisp, vibrant graphics at resolutions up to 300 by 1200 dpi, making employee badges, student IDs, or membership cards look sharp and durable. This bundle includes everything you need to get started. The Seaory S25 single-sided printer, a color ribbon for about 100 prints, a pack of PVC blank CR80 cards, and the Bodno ID card software. Bronze Edition with a lifetime license. The Bronze software provides easy-to-use design templates, basic image editing, 1D barcode support, and internal database management, so you can start creating ID cards right away. With its compact footprint, manual card feed system, USB connectivity, and compatibility with Windows and Mac computers, the S25 is ideal for low-volume, on-demand printing. It also comes with a 2-year hardware warranty and Bodno's lifetime support, offering good value for first-time users or small teams printing occasional cards. Number 2. Bodno Seaory S28 Dual-Sided ID Card Printer. The Bodno Seaory S28 Dual-Sided ID Card Printer and complete supplies package ID software and camera. Bronze Edition is a professional all-in-one ID card printing system designed for businesses, schools, clubs, and offices that need high-quality dual-sided cards without extra accessories. With automatic duplexing and a single pass and vibrant output up to 300 by 1200 dpi, it produces sharp, photo-quality badges, membership cards, student IDs, and more quickly and reliably. This comprehensive package includes the Seaory S28 dual-sided printer, Bodno Bronze Edition ID software with a lifetime license, a color ribbon for approximately 300 prints, and a stack of blank CR80 PVC cards, plus a compatible ID camera, so you can capture photos right from your workstation. The Bronze software makes card design easy with templates, drag-and-drop editing, 1D barcode support, and an internal database for storing cardholder records. Built for ease of use, the S28 supports USB and Ethernet connectivity and works with major operating systems. It also comes with a 2-year hardware warranty and Bodno's lifetime support, giving you a turnkey solution for secure, professional ID card production. Number 3. IDP Smart 21S ID Card Simplex Printer Kit with PC-only software. What included? This starter kit includes an IDP Smart 21S ID card printer, PC-only iDesigner software and printer driver, manuals and guides, a power cord and USB cable, 100 print YMCK ribbon, and 100 PVC plastic cards. Brilliant printing. Our printer offers professional quality high resolution, full color printing. This single-sided printer is also capable of producing monochromatic cards. Speedy system. Our system is compatible with Microsoft Windows 10 and 11. The control panel comprises of one easy-to-use LED button and can produce over 150 color cards and 600 monochromatic cards per hour. Great for. Our printing system is an affordable solution for small businesses to print their own ID badges. It's also perfect for larger corporations for printing access control badges, student IDs, membership cards, and loyalty and gift cards. Smart design. The printer measures 6.6 in x 10.2 and x 7 in, making it compact enough to fit in small spaces like desktops and multi-use spaces. The hand-feed printer also has a user-friendly and easy-to-load ribbon. IDP's Easy Capture, a powerful web-based employee photo capture tool designed to make ID badge photo collection faster, simpler, and more consistent for rebadging projects, onboarding, and security compliance. Number 4. Easy Badge's Solid 210 ID Badge Printer. Everything included. IDP Solid 210 is a simple hand-fed ID badge printer that makes single-sided ID badges. Your ID card printer comes with cardholder ID beginner software, 250 print full color ribbon, 200 PVC cards, To print and wear 200 standard CR 80 size driver license size ID badges. Print quality. The IDP Solid 210 is a direct-to-card printer. DDC printers print in 300 dpi, sufficient for 95% of organizations. Easy to use. This ID badge machine comes with cardholder ID badge creation software. Choose a template and go without the need for expensive graphic designers. Manual feeding, 300 full color cards /hour, compatible with PC and Mac. Best for cost-effective security and small organizations. The Solid 210 ID printer is the smallest in the industry. IDP made this smart little printer lightweight and compact to easily fit on any desk or office space. Cardholder ID software. Cardholder ID software is an easy-to-use, full-featured ID card software for use with your Mac or PC. Our software is a one-time purchase with no recurring charges. Easily create employee ID cards, access control cards, visitor passes, and more. Easily drag and drop any standard image files into our software and start printing badges in only minutes. Number 5. Bodno Magicard Pronto ID Card Printer. The Bodno Magicard Pronto ID Card Printer and complete supplies package with ID software. Bronze Edition is an all-in-one, single-sided photo ID printing solution designed for small businesses, schools, clubs, and offices that need on-demand badge production without complexity. This compact, lightweight printer delivers high-quality full-color and monochrome cards quickly, making it ideal for employee IDs, membership cards, visitor badges, and event passes. The bundle package includes everything needed to start printing right away. The Magicard Pronto printer, Bodno ID card software, Bronze Edition with lifetime license, a full-color MA100 YMCKO ribbon, and supply of 100 premium CR 80 PVC cards. Bodno's Bronze Edition software offers intuitive card design tools with pre-made templates, drag-and-drop editing, basic image customization, and 1D barcode support. Perfect for users new to ID card creation. The Pronto's manual feed and USB connectivity make setup simple, and the included warranty and lifetime support provide peace of mind for first-time and occasional card printers alike.